Soursop, Graviola. Health benefits and uses. Soursop is a natural fruit that is well known for its tasty flavor and amazing medical advantages. It's likewise extremely supplement thick and gives a decent measure of fiber and vitamin C for not very many calories. This video will take a gander at a portion of the medical advantages of soursop and how you can join it into your eating regimen. What is soursop? Soursop, otherwise called graviola, is the product of Annona muricata, a sort of tree local to tropical districts of the Americas, likewise in Southeast Asia. This thorny green natural product has a velvety surface and a solid flavor that is frequently contrasted with pineapple or strawberry. Soursop is regularly eaten crude by slicing the organic product down the middle and scooping out the tissue. Organic products range in estimate and can be very huge, so it very well might be ideal to isolate its anything but a couple of segments. A regular serving of this organic product is low in calories yet high in a few supplements like fiber and nutrient C. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of crude soursop contains calories, 66, protein, 1 gram, carbs, 16.8 grams, fiber, 3.3 grams, vitamin C, 34% of the RDI, potassium, 8% of the RDI, magnesium, 5% of the RDI, thiamine, 5% of the RDI, recommended dietary intake. Soursop also contains a small amount of niacin, riboflavin, folate and iron. Interestingly, many parts of the fruit are used medicinally, including the leaves, fruit and stems. It is also used in cooking and can even be applied to the skin. Research has also unearthed a variety of health benefits for soursop in recent years. Some test tube and animal studies have even found that it may help with everything from alleviating inflammation to slowing cancer growth. Soursop is a sort of natural product that is utilized in medication and cooking. It is low in calories, however high in fiber and nutrient C. Some exploration has shown that it might likewise have medical advantages. High in antioxidants. A large number of the announced advantages of soursop are because of its high substance of cell reinforcements. Cancer prevention agents are intensifies that help kill destructive mixtures called free extremists, which can make harm cells. Some exploration shows that cell reinforcements could assume a part in lessening the danger of a few illnesses, including coronary illness, malignancy and diabetes. One test tube study took a gander at the cancer prevention agent properties of soursop and found that it had the option to successfully insure against harm brought about by free revolutionaries. Another test tube study estimated the cancer prevention agents in soursop remove and showed that it forestalled harm to cells. It likewise contained a few plant intensifies that go about as cancer prevention agents, including luteolin, quercetin and tangaratin. Healthy digestion. One whole soursop fruit contains around 83% of your recommended daily allowance of fiber, which is a vital nutrient for your digestive health. Fiber helps to promote regularity and prevent digestive issues such as constipation. Can help fight bacteria. In addition to its cancer prevention agent properties, a few investigations show that soursop may contain strong antibacterial properties also. In one test tube study, concentrates of soursop with shifting fixations were utilized on various sorts of microorganisms known to cause oral infections. Soursop had the option to adequately kill off various kinds of microorganisms, including strains that cause gum disease, tooth rot and yeast contaminations. Another test tube study showed that soursop neutralized the microscopic organisms answerable for cholera and Staphylococcus diseases. In spite of these promising outcomes, it's essential to recall that these are test tube considers utilizing an exceptionally thought extricate. It's far more noteworthy than the sum you would ordinarily overcome your eating regimen. Further investigations are expected to assess this current natural product's likely antibacterial impacts in people. Test tube studies show that soursop has antibacterial properties and may be effective against some strains of bacteria responsible for disease, although more studies are needed. Could reduce inflammation. Some animal studies have found that soursop and its components may be able to help fight inflammation. Inflammation is a normal immune response to injury, but increasing evidence shows that chronic inflammation could contribute to disease. In one study, rats were treated with soursop extract, which was found to decrease swelling and alleviate inflammation. Another study had similar findings, showing that soursop extract reduced swelling in mice by up to 37%. Though research is currently limited to animal studies, this may be especially beneficial in the treatment of inflammatory disorders like arthritis. In fact, in one animal study, soursop extract was found to decrease the levels of certain inflammatory markers involved in arthritis. However, more research is needed to evaluate the anti-inflammatory properties of this fruit. Animal studies show that soursop extract could reduce inflammation and may be useful in the treatment of certain inflammatory disorders. Help stabilize blood sugar levels. Soursop has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels in some animal studies. In one study, diabetic rats were injected with soursop extract for 2 weeks. Those who received the extract had blood sugar levels that were 5 times lower than the untreated group. Another study showed that administering soursop extract to diabetic rats reduced blood sugar levels by up to 75%. However, these animal studies use a concentrated amount of soursop extract that exceeds what you might get through your diet. Although more research on humans is needed, these findings suggest that soursop could be beneficial for those with diabetes when paired with a healthy diet and active lifestyle. How to eat soursop. From juices to ice creams and sorbets, soursop is a popular ingredient found throughout South America and Southeast Asia, and can be enjoyed in a variety of different ways. The flesh can be added to smoothies, made into teas, or even used to help sweeten baked goods. However, because it has a strong, naturally sweet flavor, soursop is most often enjoyed raw. When selecting fruit, pick one that is soft or let it ripen for a few days before eating. Then simply cut it lengthwise, scoop out the flesh from the rind and enjoy. Keep in mind that the seeds of the soursop should be avoided, as they have been shown to contain annonasin, a neurotoxin that may contribute to the development of Parkinson's disease. Summary: soursop can be used in juices, smoothies, teas, or desserts. It can also be enjoyed raw, but the seeds should be removed before eating. The bottom line: Test Cylinder and Creature considers utilizing soursop extracate have revealed some encouraging outcomes in regards to this present organic product's potential medical advantages. All things considered, it's essential to recall that these investigations are taking a gander at the impacts of a concentrated portion of soursop remove, a lot more noteworthy than the sum you would get from a solitary serving. Notwithstanding, soursop is delectable, adaptable, and can be a useful expansion to your eating regimen. When joined with a decent eating routine and a sound way of life, this natural product may have some great advantages for your well-being. Safety, precautions. The delicious fruit is safe to eat and nutritious, but the seeds are toxic and should not be consumed. Tea made from the leaves should be avoided during pregnancy. Do not take tea for long periods of time and avoid use in small children. Due to its blood glucose lowering effects, supplements containing soursop or graviola should be taken with caution by patients taking anti-diabetic medications. Due to its blood pressure lowering effects, supplements containing soursop or graviola should be taken with caution by patients taking antihypertensive medications. Before you decide to take any medicinal herb or herbal supplement, be sure to consult with your healthcare professional first. Avoid self-diagnosis and self-medication. Always be on the safe side. Thank you for watching.